shared this yesterday that I got promoted, and it was like finally my hard work is paying off, and finally things are happening. Third thing is that I've completely started ignoring all the taunts and negativity around me. It has been such a journey. I'm so proud of myself that I've grown up. So I've grown up emotionally so well, because since my marriage, it has always been you are worthless, you are not capable of doing anything. And I was absorbing such होगा, मान रही हूँ मैं, मुझे सच में किसी ने कुछ नहीं सिखाया. But now, ma'am, you have shown me what I'm worth of. It is such a blessing to be here. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. That was all bullshit that I was being told. I am worth many, many things. Ma'am, yesterday my son wrote that my mom is my superhero. He made my drawing, and he wrote that she's my superhero. She loves me so much. She's handling so much, and I'm proud of her.
Wow.
And yes, ma'am. And ma'am, I've also started doing yoga. It has brought so much of balance in me. Also, one thing, when I started this journey with when I took gold membership, I asked you that, ma'am, can you help me in quitting my overspending habit? Ma'am, that is done. Now I'm not overspending at all. I'm just learning that voids that I used to fill by overspending, that is filled by learning. I'm always learning. I'm always on your app. Either I'm reading, either I'm talking to anyone in the community. Every part, every minute of my day is just learning, just productive, and that too not toxic productivity that I'm drowning myself. It is very blissful. My day is just full of blessings. And ma'am, my mother, she's very, मतलब वो बहुत ही ना चूजिंग है, उनको खुश करना बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. But then this is the first time she is telling me that I'm so proud of you, क्योंकि you have become so strong after, facing everything. You पहले उनको बहुत वो होता था कि what are you doing to your life. Now when I share your learnings with her, she also has a big smile. And she's she is happy. And ma'am, this was the hardest thing that I've done in my life, that my mother is happy, she is proud of me.
Amazing.
First,
Amazing.
when is I joined the platinum because my child was little bit hyperactive and I was not able to manage him. So that is the purpose I joined the platinum. And now, if I see him, before he used to ask for the junk foods every time there is a shop in front of my home. He used to cry after school every time. So now, like last week, he was silently he was laughing by himself. I just went and asked, "Why are you laughing?" He said, Amma, everybody is bringing watermelon. You told there is injection into it. So there is a news in Karnataka that they are injecting some hormonal things into the watermelon. I told him, and then he is telling me, "Why are they bringing watermelon? There is injection to it." He's laughing, but and he's just 3 year old, so he's laughing at it. So the maturity level, the hyperactive kid going to that maturity level is really like unimaginable. And the second thing is, so he catches up my emotions. One day I was like not good, not feeling well, and then I switched off the light and slept. And then again he asked me to switch on the light. And then when I switched on the light, he asked me, "Mama, can you smile?" Okay, I smiled. Okay, now you switch off the light and sleep. So he just want me to be happy, to smile every time. So
Wow.
he's taking care of me. That is my biggest win. And the third thing is, and the neighbor came and told me, he's not 3 year old kid. He's behaving like a 6 year old kid. Whenever I see him, his talking style, his thinking style is matching up to the 6 year old kid. So
Wow.
now my thing is a 1 year gap. It is 9 months gap, 9 to 10 months gap. Within this 9 to 10 months gap, a hyperactive, not understanding kid is shifting to this maturity level is because of you. I just want to thank you so much for this. This is my biggest win.
Very.
Thank you so much for that. And so what I consider is my smallest win is I joined the video making group as a part of this, and then I started making my video, and I'm the person very inactive in the social media. I had only three posts. I got married, I got pregnant, I got delivered. Only three posts I had in my Instagram. And then like when I started with my Instagram journey, so now I have a more than 10 videos crossed 1 million views, 5 million views, and I have
Wow.
20K followers.
Let's all put wow in the chat box. That's brilliant. 10 videos, more than a million views, 5 lakh view, 5 million, right? Which is
5 million views. I have
amazing.
a video. So just wanted to say there is nothing impossible if your energy is high and you are learning constantly. So, and I have my small moms group now, and I have one consultation. Whatever I have invested in you in this platinum membership, I have got that back with so much of love, respect, and the publicity and everything. So it is not just getting the money back, whatever we have invested in. It is with the love I have got it back. And
Correct.
I'm serving for the mothers. I'm so happy that I'm serving. I'm teaching every day to them. And even I'm learning with you. So I'm so, so happy for this.
My elder one, he crossed um, 9 years of age. I could see a sudden shift in his behavior. He entered preteens.
Yes.
So, yeah. So it was very difficult. I got stressed out, and I used to discuss with my husband also, say what to do, how to manage. And then I went through one of your courses regarding the teenage parenting. And seriously, Riddhi, it helped so much. It was all actually my ego, which was showing in his behavior. So I brought some changes in me. Earlier, I used to come back from my office and call him for study. Okay, let's sit for 1 hour and let's do study. I totally changed that behavior. Then I take it like we used to sit for half an. I used to say just let's sit for half an hour, and for in that half an hour, 20 minutes was just discussion going on regarding kind of counseling.
Nice.
So within 1 month, I could see the change in him. I
Wow.
could see the change, a very drastic change in him. And actually, before I was overindulging him, over managing him, I stopped that. The first thing I stopped that, and he's a brilliant child. Must say, he's a brilliant child. And he did very well in this exam in March only. Just day before yesterday, he got his result and got A1 in all the subjects. And
Wow.
this time, I didn't teach him in his exams. It was one of his tuition teacher was teaching him. He got really good marks. Thank you so much.